Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Are you looking for a perfect laptop bag to carry in style? Here we go. Please watch the video till the end. For this laptop, I am stitching the laptop bag today, so I am taking the measurement of it. Here the length is 13 inches and width is 8.5 inches. To make the bag beautiful and attractive, I have taken the peacock printed fabric. We need two pieces of it. Now taking the measurement of the fabric. It is better to take at least 3 inches more than the laptop measurement. So the length here I have taken is 16 inches and the width is 12 inches. Two pieces of sponge and two pieces of lining with the same measurement is required. I have taken same colored zipper, two handle pieces with width 4 inches and length 15 inches. If you want, you can increase the measurement with 1 or 2 inches. Double fold the handle piece and secure it with the clip. I am stitching both the sides as I am showing in the video. Keep the sponge on the surface. Above that, place main fabric and secure it with beaded pins. Now draw a line at the center diagonally. From this line, measure 3 inches towards right and left and draw lines. Again, measure 3 inches besides these lines and draw the lines. Stitch all these lines including 4 corners. Repeat the same for both the panels. Now take these stitched panels, fold it and mark the midpoint. Measure 3 inches from the midpoint towards left and right side and mark the points. Do the same for other panel as well. This is to attach the handle. Keep the handle piece on the marked points. Place the zipper on it as I am doing in the video. Please make sure that the right side of the zipper should face the right side of the main fabric. Now place the lining fabric on it and secure all with the pins and stitch this part. Here I have stitched the first panel. Make sure that the zipper and the handle piece is attached properly. Top stitch this to give it a neat finish. Now take the second panel, place the handle piece on it and secure it with beaded pins. Take the first panel and keep it on the floor. Place the second panel on it and note that the right side of the first panel and right side of second panel should face each other. Now turn it and place the second piece of lining fabric on it. Make sure that the second panel zipper and lining are in line. Secure it with beaded pins and stitch this part. Again top stitch on the second panel. Now turn it so that two lining pieces come to one end and two main fabric which is attached with the sponge comes to another end. Keep it neatly. Now we need to stitch all the corners leaving a small gap in lining fabric. This gap is to turn the cloth right side out. I have stitched all the sides except a small gap. Through the opening, I am turning the right side out from inside. Now pull the lining outside to find the gap and close the opening in the lining. Insert back the lining inside. Here our beautiful laptop bag is ready to carry. I hope this video is helpful to you and you can customize your own laptop bag. If you like my work, please give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment, share it with your friends and family, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more creative stitching and DIY projects. See you in a next video with a new idea. Thanks for watching.